Hey guys, it's Sean here, and in this video, we're going to set up a processing page. Now, a processing page is something that exists between your opt-in page and the offer itself. And the reason it exists is simply to fire a pixel that is able to track conversions back to Microsoft and eventually Google or any other ads platform that you're running on. Now, there are ways to track conversions without having a processing page. However, they usually involve more technical skills, and we find that this is the easiest way to do it. So I'm over here in Float Funnels, and I'm going to go ahead and create a blank page. We're just going to call this processing. I would actually recommend you have it around the niche. So we could say like processing-RTO, and we'll call it create. Pick whatever niche or whatever name you want. I'm just going to drag over a headline here. We're going to call this processing. Okay. Center the guy, maybe put a few dots, okay? Go into the settings here, general scripts, and you're gonna paste this code over here, okay? So we're gonna grab that code, we're gonna paste it right there, and right from the H until the M in .com and the H in HTTPS, you're gonna highlight, and you're gonna replace that URL with the URL you grab of whatever offer you're running. In this case, I'm gonna run this rent-to-own offer from Max Bounty. I'm gonna paste right over it. Okay, and then I'm going to click the save button here. I'm going to let that green bar go all the way down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click the publish page. I'm going to save it on my domain, publish on selected domain, and you can see that it redirects to the rent-to-own offer. All right, so from there, what we want to do is we actually want to grab the URL of this page. Okay, so we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to pages, and it's called processing RTO2. So we're gonna go to view page, press the escape button a bunch of times so it stops the redirect, and then you can grab your URL right here. Okay, we're gonna go back to the send pad form that we created before, and in the settings area, you're actually gonna change the URL to the processing link. So now when they opt in, okay, they go to this processing page. And this processing page is going to fire the pixel and redirect the user to the offer. Okay. So we want to go ahead and publish that. And then you want to grab this code now. You want to go back to that step 3, your opt-in form page. Okay. You want to edit it. You're going to delete the form. Okay. Enter in a new send pad form here. Paste that code. Click save. Just going to center this guy here, and we will publish. Okay. So now what's going to happen here is once I enter in my information, I'm just going to put junk information here to show you the example. I'm going to press submit, and what's going to happen is they're going to go to the processing page, which fired the conversion pixel, and then gets redirected to the actual offer. All right. So know that's a little bit of technical aspect. Okay, take your time on it, and it does work, and it is the easiest way to tell Microsoft and Google that when somebody enters in the information in the opt-in form, that counts as a conversion, as a lead, right? And you'll see what that means as we do the advertising, right? At the end of the day, we're trying to get leads. That means the people giving us name and email as cheap as possible, okay? The cheaper the lead cost, and if that lead cost is less than the EPC of this page, then you're profitable, okay? And this is all gonna start to make sense as the videos go on and on, all right? So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.